Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss the 7 key differences between carry-on and checked luggage. First, let's talk about size. Carry-on bags must meet specific dimensions and fit in the overhead bin, while checked bags have more flexibility. Secondly, weight restrictions vary. Carry-on bags usually have a weight limit of around 20 pounds, while checked bags can typically be much heavier. Another difference is accessibility. Carry-on bags stay with you throughout the journey, allowing easy access to your belongings, whereas checked bags are handled by the airline. When it comes to security, carry-on bags undergo stricter screening procedures at the airport, while checked bags are typically screened more thoroughly. Next, let's talk about convenience. Carry-on bags are great for shorter trips, as they eliminate the need to wait at baggage claim upon arrival. On the other hand, checked bags are better for longer trips, as they can hold more items and eliminate the stress of carrying heavy bags. One crucial point to consider is the risk of loss. Carry-on bags stay with you, reducing the chance of your luggage being lost or misdirected. However, checked bags are more susceptible to loss or mishandling, so it's important to label them correctly. An advantage of carry-on bags is that you don't have to worry about them getting damaged during transport, unlike checked bags. Lastly, let's talk about fees. Many airlines charge for checked baggage, while carry-on bags are usually free. So there you have it, the 7 significant differences between carry-on and checked luggage. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful travel tips.